Let me engage, indulge, and excite you with this potato salad made with Ghana yam. Potatoes are available in Ghana, but they're not very easy to find. And when you do find them, they can cost an arm and a leg. So I thought about what a great substitute would be, and yam stood out. You need a small piece of yam. You want to peel it, wash it, and then dice it. For those of you who are not very familiar with West African cuisine, a quick insight on what yam is. It is a root tuber. It resembles potatoes. It is starchier though, and it's hardier. We normally would boil these in the potage and they become creamy, or we will boil them on the side, fry them, and dip them into any exciting dip. We would also make fufu out of yams and have the fufu with our beautiful soups. But not very often do we see yams being used in making potato salad. All right, so here I wanted to share that recipe with you. Season generously with some salt because it's the only opportunity you'll have to season, and you don't want to miss out on that opportunity. And you want to boil until fork tender, and then chop up half a medium-sized red onion. Red onions are best in salads because they are sweeter and milder at the same time. Now you also want to dice a carrot, and after dicing your carrot, you'll notice that it releases more of its pigment, which is great, but we don't want that pigment to discolor the salad in the end. So I do the same with the red bell pepper, which also releases pigments, but I rinse them so that all that extra lingering pigment is gone, all right? Now our yam is fork tender, as you can see, so it's ready. Now we're going to drain it immediately. What you don't want is for the yam to continue sitting in the hot water. They will soak up the water and you won't really enjoy the texture they will offer in the end. Let the yam sit out and come to room temperature while you prepare your salad dressing. So you need mayonnaise, grainy Dijon mustard. So this has mustard seeds in it. And then you want regular Dijon mustard. I like the grainy because it gives the salad dressing a more exciting look. Now you want to season with a pinch of salt and crushed black pepper, and then go in with your sweetener. I used honey, and you need a sweetener in here, friends. Now I'm also going in with my acid, and that is just distilled vinegar, also known as white vinegar. And you want the consistency to be just like this. Be able to form an illusion of ribbons as it falls from the spoon back into the salad dressing bowl. Now, mayonnaise is a rich ingredient. It's very heavy, so you need a freshener. Now, the herbs that we will use will do exactly that for us. We'll freshen everything up. The herbs of choice today, dill and parsley. Sprinkle a little bit on there, leave some behind for garnish later, and that is all she wrote. Our salad dressing is stunning to look at, but it is also balanced in all the taste profiles. The acidity is there, a little bit of sweetness, the pepperiness from the mustard is just perfect. Now look at the yam. As they've come to room temperature, you can crush them, but they're not like mashable, readily mashable. And that's exactly what kind of texture you want. Now combine all of your onions, your carrots, and the red bell pepper, and then pour your salad dressing on. And just look at how it transforms into a complete show-stopping beauty. Look at that. I would have really loved some capers in here for that brininess in each bite, but that's okay. The mustard seeds do the job. And just look at that. Isn't that stunning? That is a thing of beauty, friends, and it tastes amazing, friends. You'd love this recipe, and you can have it in between 2 slices of bread. You can have it with your jollof rice, your fried rice, as a side on anything you can imagine or think of, and you can even have it in a lettuce wrap. So I had this battered lettuce, and I'm sort of creating a bouquet with it. A great way to present it on that table among the other stunning looking dishes. A little bit of a sprinkle with your parsley and dill, and voila, it is ready for that table. And look at that. Just take a look at it. It is beautiful, friends, and it tastes amazing. And I hope that you're inspired to try this recipe. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen.
Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below. And don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.